Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared 3 questions for you, and as usual I recommend you to stop video here, read the questions, choose your correct answers, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answers with my answers and explanations. And here's the first question. In diploid organism, a dominant phenotype will only be expressed if individual is homozygous dominant for that trait. In simple Mendelian genetics, diploid organism may have 2 alleles. One would be dominant, and we use capital A, and another can be recessive, and we use small a to designate recessive allele, and these 2 alleles can make 3 genotypes in the organism. One would be capital A, or homozygous dominant. Another one would be capital A, small a, or heterozygous, and the last one would be small a genotype. Because organisms are diploid, organism may have these 3 variants of these 2 alleles. So these 2 genotypes would make one phenotype, and this genotype would make another phenotype. So 2 alleles, dominant and recessive, can make 3 genotypes but only 2 phenotype. So as you see, according to this picture, in order to express dominant phenotype, the organism is not necessary have to have 2 dominant alleles. One would be enough. So this is not true. It is false statement. And next statement, the same phenotype can be produced by more than one genotype. And this is almost the same question, and as you see, according to this picture, the same phenotype can be produced by more than one genotype, and this is true. And next question, if an organism with a genotype that is heterozygous for both genes produce gametes, what proportion of the gametes would be capital B, small b? And let me write down this genotype one more time. So capital A, small a, and capital B, small b. As you see, this is a diploid organism, has 2 genes, one gene A, another gene B. Gene A here present in 2 copies. One is a dominant allele, another one is a recessive allele, and the same is true for the gene B. One allele is dominant, another one recessive. So this is diploid organisms. Diploid organisms produce haploid gametes, and what variants would be? So the first variant would be capital A and capital B. This would be the first gamete. Gamete can be egg cells or sperm. So for example, this would be haploid sperm or gamete. The second variant would be capital A and small b. So capital A and small b. This would be another variant of the gamete. And third variant would be small a and capital B. Small a and capital B. And the last variant would be small a and small b. So small a and small b. So as you see, in gametes we can find only 1 out of 2 alleles for one gene. We have 2 genes here. So whether this allele or this, and for the second place whether this allele or this one. So 4 variants. But we cannot find 2 copies, 2 alleles for the same gene in haploid gametes, as you see. So our answer would be answer A, none. So none of the gametes would have both alleles B. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.